Hi, this is your math professor, Barbara Rademacher, and if you remember when we left off, we had just made an account for Blaze Smith, who's really Blaze Rademacher, who's really my dog, okay? And now we're going to move on and explore the actual MyMathLab class. So, you log into MyMathLab and you come to your class and you click on it. And the first thing you'll see will be our calendar. You can flip through the calendar page by page to see what you ought to be doing on a particular day. The next button you come to is Syllabus. The complete syllabus is in here for you to read anytime you want. The syllabus is also in Blackboard. The next button is the button you click to do your homework. Up here, you're able to connect directly to Study Plan, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. And you can also access everything in the class by clicking on Show All, Homework here, and you can actually click on here to see your quizzes and your tests. Suppose you want to click on the Module 1 Media Assignment. What is a media assignment? I'll tell you. A media assignment is a collection of videos and PowerPoints designed to help you. All right, these are from Khan Academy, and I think they make the best Sal Khan. He makes the best math videos that there are. You can access them yourself on YouTube, or you can access them right here. And these two PowerPoints and this PowerPoint and this concept video are all made by the publisher of the book. You can watch them if you think it'll help you. You will not be scored. The score that you make will not affect your grade at all. All right, so after you're done with the multimedia assignment, which is designed to help you do the homework, you click on the homework. Oops. There. You click on the homework. And this is what a typical homework page looks like. This is the one for the Module 1 homework, but they all look pretty much alike. This tells you which sections in the book you're going to be accessing, okay? These are 3 kind of long videos that I made to tell you how to work the homework problems, since many of you are new to MyMathLab. All right, now, suppose we want to click on one of these questions. This is a typical homework question. Okay, here you're being asked to solve this equation. It says solve the equation and check your solution. And the solution is, and you'll come up with b equals a number. You'll put the number in right there. Then you'll go to check answer, and you'll be told if you got it right or wrong. You'll also be given the opportunity to do another problem of the same sort if you feel kind of insecure, if you want to do more than one. If you want to watch the videos I made, you can click here, Assigned Media. Those are from my videos, the ones I made. If you want someone to help you step by step through this problem, you click on View an Example, and the computer will take you step by step through the problem. If you want to watch a video from the publisher that tells you how to work the problem, click this button. If you want to read the e-textbook, the electronic textbook, which is just like the real textbook, click there. If you want to work with the calculator, if you don't have your calculator with you, you can click there. If you want to email me, you can email me directly from this problem, and I'll be sent a link from this problem to see what your problem was. It would be better if you can type out in words what it was that you didn't understand, what you think you kept missing, and I'll be glad to get back to you, probably with a video, but definitely with some kind of answer. You can even print this problem. You can even print all of the homework problems if you want to. Okay, now the next button down is quizzes and tests. And guess what you see when you click on quizzes and tests? You see your exams and you see your final exam. These are blocked to you right now. They're passworded, and you won't know, well, you'll never know what the password is. They know in the testing center. Remember that the first time you take the exams, it'll be on paper in the classroom, and then if you're not satisfied with your grade, you can take it 2 more times in the testing center. And this is where you'll come when you go to take your exam in the testing center. You'll come to quizzes and tests. We're taking the final exam on paper in the classroom. The next button is iTunes U. All of the videos that I have made, I am in the process of uploading to this class in Arkansas iTunes U. You go to iTunes and you click on iTunes U. I've provided you the links in your syllabus to get here. If you have an iPad or an iPhone, I assume you can get here very easily, and you can listen to the videos. If you don't have an Apple device, then you might want to go to this, well, not go to this page, but go to this page from your own home calculator. Okay, now the next page is Study Plan. Study Plan is all for you. Ever so often there are people who tell me they want to do more homework than I've assigned, and I'm very happy for you to do that. If you go to Study Plan, you can work on your own, you and the computer together, doing as many problems as you want. And you can click here to see all of the homework problems, well, all of the problems provided by the publisher for you to practice. Okay, next button. Chapter contents. This is where the entire textbook is in electronic form. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, the whole book. Okay? Suppose you want to go to Chapter 2, Section 2.1. This is what you see when you come to Section 2.1. You can watch a video presentation. You can read the electronic textbook for Section 2.1, and you can choose to go to the study plan. Now, if you had clicked on 2.1, this is what you would see. Indeed, it is the electronic. The electronic textbook is almost exactly like the regular textbook, except on occasion it has electronic links. And we just jumped to another button, the announcements. I did jump over these, and so we're at the next correct button. Don't ignore announcements, because I do put announcements in there, but right now this is an announcement from the publisher, and this link right here, MyMathLab browser check, is very, very important to you to make sure that your browser is acceptable to MyMathLab and that your browser will work with MyMathLab. It's important for you to know, and I completely forgot to mention, never use Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer and MyMathLab do not work together. At least they don't work together in the school. Now, maybe at your home they will, but they don't in the school. Do use Firefox or do use Google Chrome, but do not use Internet Explorer. Okay, and there's your gradebook. That's the last button you'll come to. I'm not sure whether it's under Course Tools or not, but this is how you'll always be able to see what your grade is. And you'll be able to click on this button here, Show Overall Score, to see what your overall score is. And the scoring rubric is discussed in the syllabus, and we're about to go there for part 3 of your orientation. So I'll talk to you soon.